Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to talk about one of the most popular tools in the world of email marketing, and that's Mailchimp. You might have heard of it already if you have ever been involved in email campaigns. But in case you have not, don't worry. I'm here to explain what Mailchimp is, how it works, and why so many businesses are using it, and it's growing now day by day, and businesses are using to email list and contact with their customers. I will also share some updated and link in the description below, so feel free to check that out after watching this video, and you will get the updated information always. So first of thing, what is Mailchimp? Well, Mailchimp is an email marketing platform that helps businesses to send emails to their customers. But it's not just about sending one of emails. With Mailchimp, you can set up to automated email sequences. You can design beautiful email template, segment your audience, and even track how well your emails are performing. Whether you are a small business, a blogger, or even an influencer, Mailchimp offers a variety of tools to help you engage with your audience. Now let's talk about why people are loving Mailchimp so much. One of the main reason is Mailchimp is really easy to use. Even if you are not a marketing expert, you can still create and send professional emails without needing any special skills. They have a drag and drop editor for designing emails, and which makes it super simple and customizable for your message, and you can add images and create a beautiful layout in just a few minutes. Another big advance is the Mailchimp offers free plan. Yes, it offers free plan. Another big advantage is Mailchimp offer free plan. This is a great for beginners and businesses who are just starting out, because you can use Mailchimp without sending a money, and the free plan gives you access to all the basic email marketing tools, and you can send up to 500 emails to 500 subscribers each month. If they are just getting started, this plan might be more than enough for your needs. But as your business grow, you will need a upgraded version to get access to more advanced feature like email automation, advanced analytics, and greater segmentation. Mailchimp's paid plans are fairly priced, and they offer different tiers based on the size of your email list and what feature you need. One thing that's important to mention is that Mailchimp has some limitations when it comes to automation features. While the free plan is fantastic for beginner, if you are looking for a more complex email workflow, you will need to pay for higher tier plan. Some users have also mentioned that the customer support, it could be a little better. But for most users, the platform is fairly good, so you don't always need to rely on support. Another cool feature about Mailchimp is that it integrates with a lot of other platforms like Shopify, WordPress, Zapier, Google Analytics, Canva, or this kind of more platforms. So if you are using any of those platforms for your business, you can easily connect with Mailchimp and automate your workflow even more. To wrap up, at the last of the video, I can say Mailchimp is fantastic tool for anyone who is looking to get into email marketing, and it's user friendly, affordable, especially for beginners, and packed with feature that can help you to grow your business. If you are just starting out, I definitely recommend you to check the free version or the free plan to see if it works for you or not. And you can find all the link and the updated information in the description below, so feel free to take a look after watching this video. If you want more information, or if you are ready to get started with Mailchimp today, then check the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.